We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
engineering in second sem. Okay. First of all, content. Star connection in three-phase system. In this topic, we also cover relation between phase voltage and line voltage in star connection, relation between phase current and line current in star connection. Similarly, for delta connection, we also get the relation for the phase and line voltage and phase and line current. The wire are carried out the external circuit giving a three-phase, three-wire star-connected system. However, system fourth wire is carried out for the star point to the external circuit is called the neutral wire. Therefore, in star connection, two type of system: three-wire three-phase system or four-wire three-phase system. Star connection. Okay. According to definition, two terminal of a phase. Okay, the first a1 is connected is freely and a2 is connected to common point. Okay, so c2 b2 and a2 are connected at common point. This point is known as a neutral point, and these are the three open point. Okay, this type of connection is known as a star connection. Okay, in star connection, in the flow of line is known as a line current. In the phase current flow is called the I phase current, and voltage across the any phase, that means the any phase, any R, Y or B or neutral, that means voltage measured between any phase and neutral point is known as a phase, and voltage measured between any line, that means R and Y, is known as a line voltage. Okay, consider the above figure. The finished terminal A2, B2, C2, that means last terminal of the phase of three winding, are connected to form star or neutral point. The three conductor named R, Y, B run from the remaining three phase as shown in figure. The current flowing through each phase is called the phase current. That means the current flow through phase is called the phase current. Current flow through the line conductor is called the line current. Similarly, the voltage across any phase is called the phase voltage, and voltage across any two line conductor is known as a line conductor. Here, first of all, we saw the relation between phase voltage and line voltage in star connection. Okay, the star connection is shown in figure. Okay, this is the IR, IY and IB. These are the line current. INR, INB and IYB are the phase current, and this is the ENR, ENB, ENY are the phase voltage. ERY, EBR and EYB are the line voltages. Okay, focus on the voltage. As the system is balanced, a balanced system means that is in all the three phase RYB equal amount the current flow. Balance, that means the current flow in the three phase in RYB is same. Therefore, the voltage ENR, ENY, EN in, and that means phase voltage are equal in magnitude but displaced from each other by 120 degree. We know that the three phase system are 120 degree apart from the each other. The phasor diagram of star connection is shown here. First of all, we draw the phase voltage. Okay, ENR. Okay, ENR. Similarly, ENY and similarly EYB. Okay, according to the voltage algebraic sum ENR and EYB, addition of these we get the minus ENR voltage. Okay, similarly here we got a EYB and here we got a ERY voltage. Okay, now ENR, that means phase voltage, is equal to ENR, ENY, ENB is equal to E phase. We take the sum some common terminal common term E phase. There are two phase voltages between any two lines. Tracing the loop N R Y, that means neutral, R Y and N. Okay, according to this, ENR plus ENY, ENR plus ERY minus ENY is equal to 0. From the phasor diagram, this equation we can write that. After that, we can subject the ERY, then we get the ENY minus ENR vector difference. Okay, to find the vector sum of ENY and minus ENR, we have the reverse vector ENR and edit ENY is shown in figure, so that we want ry voltage, so we get the addition of vector addition of this ENY and minus ENRY, so we get the VRY. So VERY is equal to square of this plus 2 and 2 ENY cos 60 according to parallelogram method. Okay, so this is the line voltage, so we can replace this term by EL, and we already write that ENY ENR can be replaced by the E phase. So here we write that E phase square plus E phase square, 2 into E phase cos 60, that means 0.5. Okay, after simplification we finally get this equation under root 3 E square phase. Okay, so finally we get the EL is equal to root 3 E phase. Therefore the star connection line voltage and phase voltage is given by the relation of EL is equal to root 3 E. Similarly for the another line Y and B and BR. Okay, so in star connection line voltage is root 3 times of the phase voltage, root 3 times of the phase voltage. Okay, this is the relation between phase voltage and line voltage in star connection. Okay, line voltage is equal to root 3 V phase. In diagram, I31 is equal to I21 plus I. Now another vector difference will be given as IR is equal to, from this equation we can make a subject IR, that means line current is equal to I31 minus I12. The vector I12 reverse and is add in the vector I31 to get the vector sum of I31 and minus I12. That means vector addition of these two things we get the IR. Okay, therefore IR is equal to, according to the this equation, according to parallelogram, therefore this equation. Now I31, I23 and I1 can be replaced by I phase, so this I31 and I12 can be replaced by I phase, so we get this equation and cos 60 is equal to 0.5. Now as shown, IR is equal to IL. Okay, line current can be IR is the line current, can be represented as IL. Therefore IL is equal to under root 3 I square phase. We can again simplify the equation. We got this equation IL is equal to root 3 I phase. Similarly for the Y and B phase. Okay, hence in delta connection line current is the root 3 times of the phase current. That means line current is equal to root 3 times of